Hello friends, I'm Snehal. Welcome to my channel and today I'm going to teach you types of sentences. Let's get started. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter. A sentence expresses a complete thought. It always ends with a symbol. A sentence has at least one verb and action word. There are four kinds of sentences. The first is assertive, second is interrogative, third is exclamatory, and the fourth is imperative. Let's see the first kind of sentence, that is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence states or declares something. It can be affirmative or negative. It always begins with the subject and ends with a full stop. An assertive sentence contains a subject, verb, object, complement or adverb. For example, English is an international language. This sentence is affirmative. We do not do bad things. This is a negative sentence. The negative sentence contains words like no, not, none, nothing, never, etc. Let's see the second kind of sentence, that is an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence asks a question. It can be affirmative or negative and always ends with a question mark. Most interrogative sentences begin with WH words such as who, what, when, where, how, etc. Some interrogative sentences begin with helper verbs such as is, are, does, has, etc. For example, who gave you this book? Are you coming for the picnic? Shouldn't we wait? Why didn't you take me along? Let's see the third kind of sentence, that is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence expresses some sudden or strong feelings. It can be affirmative or negative. It always ends with an exclamation mark. The subject and the verb in exclamatory sentences either occur at the end of a sentence or are completely left out. Exclamatory sentences are those which show great emotions or excitement. For example, wow, look at the scenery. Hooray, holidays have started. Alas, he has gone. Let's see the fourth kind of sentence, that is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence makes a request or gives a command or an instruction. It can be affirmative or negative and always ends with a full stop. An imperative sentence does not have a subject. The subject you is understood. The imperative sentence giving negative information generally begins with don't or do not. Imperative sentences are those having a polite request. For example, please be quiet, the baby is sleeping. Please close the door, mosquitoes will come in. Kindly pass the book,